Hi, it's Nadia. Today we are making flourless carrot cake. Delicious, low-carb, gluten-free, and keto-friendly, with or without any frosting. Carrot belongs to categories of below-ground vegetables, not popularly recommended in strict keto diet. Look into its nutrition facts. Every 100 grams of carrot contains 7 grams of carb, way less than my favorite wheat and rice before keto. So I keep it in my keto diet. Just consume it less and occasionally. Also because I really like carrot, and I really like this veggie cake. In this recipe I use 120 grams of carrots, about 1 cup, finely shredded. For flourless cake base, we have 150 grams, 1.5 cup of almond flour, 15 grams, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 15 grams, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 15 grams, 4 teaspoons of erythritol as a sweetener. It's optional. Sometimes I do not add it since carrot has its own natural sweetness. 5 grams, half tablespoon of baking powder, and 2 grams, half teaspoon of baking soda as the leavening agents, and 1 gram, a quarter teaspoon of sea salt to balance all flavors. Sieve and mix these dry ingredients all together. In this recipe, spices such as cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, or allspices are optional. Some recipes also include dry fruits such as raisins. I prefer adding none of them for a very simple carrot presence. For wet ingredients, we have 2 large eggs, room temperature, separate yolks and whites. I always have fun in this task, either jiggling between eggshells by hands or using a gadget to do the job. Adding 80 milliliters, a third cup of milk or non-dairy milk or yogurt, 45 milliliters, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, melted, 45 milliliters, 3 tablespoons of water, and 5 milliliters, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix them all together. In this recipe, coconut oil is highly recommended. The product is moister than using melted butter. The cake will not become dense after refrigeration. Whisk the egg white till it's fluffy. With 2 egg whites, it's executable to do it by hand. Soft pig and firm pig will both work. Then combine these ingredients all together. Is there any ingredient you like, but it's not absolutely fitting your keto diet? How do you do about it? Let me know in the comments area. For preparation prior to the cake batter making, I use an 8-inch square pan. It's 20, 20, and 5 centimeters, lined with a parchment paper. I always feel so achieved to put the elegant pinky orange batter into the cake pan. Spread it evenly and nicely, with some good tap salt to release additional air bubbles. And preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, with a parchment paper on the top of the cake batter. Bake it for 20 to 25 minutes accordingly. Take it out of oven and let it cool down completely. I like to cut it into 16 small squares, easy to store, and each square has less than 1 gram of carb, very keto-friendly. And it's time to enjoy. Cream cheese frosting can be made in a small batch to complete the whole enjoyment. Please know that you are cherished and blessed. Thank you for your watching and considering to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Take care.